Alright, so I haven't made an unboxing video since I've been picking more stuff that I want. And then I recently got all these 4 packages from AliExpress in across China at that time. Yeah, actually, these are in Chinese. Yeah, it is all the way from across China, the warehouse, where the warehouse is. So, okay. Now, I'm gonna open the small one. Let's see if I can just open this one. It's gonna be very good. Oh, there we go. It's gonna be easy. Ooh, a bracelet. USA bracelet. I could see the Happy 4th of July and the stars on it. Oh, sorry guys. Here, take a look. A bracelet in the United States version. Okay, how about this one? Rain with a skull on it, with the United States flag on it, and yeah, that's the ring, skull ring. Oh, this one. Oh, hang on. This is very awesome. And that's, ooh, a shirt, a USA shirt, and yes, awesome. I'm gonna need this for the 4th of July. And how about this one, the last one? It's gonna be, wow, American hat with a bald eagle and the US flag on it. That is a very good one. Yeah, that is very awesome. So yeah, these are the stuff that I need to get this one for the 4th of July. And yes, I hope you're gonna celebrate 4th of July soon, you guys. So yeah, that's all the packages that I got. Alright guys, thank you for watching, and make sure you subscribe to my channel. If you want me to make more of me making some unboxing videos, I will see you guys next time. Okay guys, peace out and bye.